Hi, at GoTime Cloud, we are dedicated to continuously enhancing our cloud-based time tracking platform. That is why we are excited to announce a major update that includes significant new features and improvements. In this video, we will walk you through the key changes and how they will streamline your daily work. Enhanced interface for a better experience. One of the most noticeable changes is the new interface, now spanning the entire screen width. This allows for a clearer visualization of all data, elevating your overall experience with the platform. The narrow top menu has been replaced with a more prominent and intuitive side menu. You can even minimize it to focus solely on your employees' information. Compatibility. Our updated GoTime Cloud is fully compatible with existing installations. Simply open your application and you will be greeted with the new platform. Security at the forefront. The security of your data and that of your employees remains our top priority. All employee data is securely stored on Amazon web servers, and thanks to our robust encryption protocols for biometric data and communications, unauthorized access is strictly prevented. If you're not yet a user, we encourage you to request a demo at gotimecloud.com.